Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of computer speakers with the LENRUE G11 computer speakers for desktop. These speakers promise to deliver impressive sound quality and unique features, so let's see if they live up to the hype. The LENRUE G11 computer speakers are designed for desktop use and come in an elegant white color. They feature a soundbar design and are powered by USB-C, USB, making them convenient to use with various devices, including computers, laptops, and monitors. These speakers boast a surge stereo sound with 4 large amplifier IC horns, ensuring distortion-free and noiseless audio. The clear sound they offer makes them suitable for a wide range of applications, from watching movies and videos to gaming and enjoying music. One of the standout features of these speakers is the touch angular game lights. They have a dynamic angular game atmosphere design. You can easily turn the lights on or off with a simple touch, eliminating the need for traditional, cumbersome buttons. The LENRUE G11 speakers are designed to fit neatly under your monitor, making them a space-saving addition to your desktop setup. The cables are also neatly glued together to avoid clutter and maintain a clean workspace. Setting up these speakers is a breeze. There's no need for any additional drivers. Simply plug in the USB-powered cable and the 3.5mm audio cable to start enjoying the sound. They are compatible with various devices, including computers, desktops, laptops, iMacs, MacBooks, and support Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. The package includes a Type-C adapter, adding more versatility to the speakers and ensuring compatibility with newer devices like MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. LENRUE offers a 60-day no-reason refund policy and a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind to customers. They also provide video operation guidance to assist users in getting the most out of their speakers. The LENRUE G11 computer speakers are competitively priced at $24.99. You can find similar products in this price range, but the unique touch lights make these speakers stand out from the crowd. Checking out customer reviews, we find that these speakers have received positive feedback from users, with many praising their sound quality and stylish design. In conclusion, the LENRUE G11 computer speakers for desktop offer an attractive combination of clear sound, unique touch lights, and compact design. With their affordable price point and positive customer reviews, they are a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop audio experience. That wraps up our review of the LENRUE G11 computer speakers for desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these speakers, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.